Okay, just a quick video to show you how to get in the back of your Acura TL. I have one here in the salvage yard today. We're going to be looking at the middle armrest for the rear seat. And there's a pull tab right here. And you're gonna see this button. This will release this, this fabric panel here with a piece of plastic. I think a critter has been in here. We're going to look to unlock this with your key if you have one. Hopefully that's unlocked, but you could unlock that with your key. Now you're going to just feel right behind here, and there is a plastic pull tab. You're going to pull that to the left, and you'll hear the trunk open up there. If you don't have that pull tab, you could take a long piece of metal, and hopefully you can see, and then you would go and release the trunk latch from the inside. I'll get you a close look at that. Okay, so you'd be pushing in the direction of the arrow. Shine a light there, and then that will light up for you. Let's see if we can see it. Yeah, it should be right there. You're gonna look for that pull tab. If you don't have that pull tab, or if it's broken over the years, you'll just reach back with that long metal rod, whatever you can find, and then release the trunk latch from here. Hope that helps. We'll see you next time.